Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Warship Battle, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to get this mod which gave me unlimited money and gold, and I'm going to show you step by step that how I did it, what I have done, so you can do it also you guys. Okay, so I just need to mention to you guys this method is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Today I'm going to show you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android device, but the same steps are working also for the iOS users. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, so I cannot show it to you guys for the moment, but if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm going to do a tutorial also for the Android users. Okay, sorry, iOS users with my iPhone. So right now I'm inside of the game. As you can see, everything is working and running perfectly for me guys. So I'm not going to stay too much inside of the game, so we don't make the video too long. We'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you the same amount as me guys. Okay, to get this mod, if you want to get it always, this is not obligatory. So guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, all you need to do, you just need to make sure you're gonna be having a good connection with your internet. So it will be good if you get connected with Wi-Fi and also have active your mobile data also. Okay, so after you complete this checking or make sure about the internet, all you need to do, you just need to go to the internet browser. This is for the both devices. You just need to search in the searching bar about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys, and I'm going to focus it immediately. Okay, here we are. We just enter in, and you can see you have different categories here, and we are just going to type for our game. Warship. Okay, here it is, and all you need to do, you just need to press here in the blue sign, and then it's going to take you to the next page when you have the whole information about the game, and you can read it later on what you have to do, and then you press download in order to download the mod. In the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod on the game and get the money same as me guys. So this is my video tutorial for today guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Okay, thank you for watching guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.